Hi, Shasha from AceVacuums. I'm going to show you how to change the bags and filters in Sebo Airbelt K3 canister vacuum. Where is the vacuum bag located and how do I change it? Stand the vacuum upright. Press the release latch on the bottom to open the front cover. To remove the old bag, grasp the green plastic collar on the bag and pull it straight out. To insert the new bag, slide the green plastic collar of the new bag down into the tracks until it clicks securely into place. Does the K3 have a pre-motor filter? Yes, there is a microfilter located directly behind the vacuum bag. How to change it? After removing the bag, pull out the rectangular filter frame. Remove the old filter, insert a new one into the frame, and slide the frame back into the tracks. How do I change the exhaust filter? The exhaust filter is located under a cover on the top of the vacuum canister. How to change it? Squeeze the release latch to remove the cover. Pull out the green filter frame. Replace the old filter with a new one. Insert the frame back into the vacuum and snap the cover back on. How often should I replace the bags and filters on my Sebo K3? You should replace the filter bag as soon as it is full, or when the full bag indicator alerts you. For the micro-hospital filter, pre-motor, and the exhaust filter, Sebo recommends replacing them after using about 10 to 20 bags, or at least once a year. Keeping fresh filters in your K3 is the secret to maintaining its powerful suction and hospital-grade air filtration.